Ever wondered how secure is your online data? In this digital age where we share our lives online, the threat of data theft, privacy invasion, and targeted ads is ever present. These risks are more than just an inconvenience, they're a violation of our rights. But there's a knight in shining armor ready to protect us. Enter the virtual private network, or VPN. It's like an impenetrable fortress, guarding your online presence from prying eyes. Think of a VPN as your personal bodyguard online, keeping your data safe and secure. So, what makes a VPN your best bet for internet security? Well, it all starts with encryption. Imagine you're sending a postcard across the world. It's open for anyone to see. Now, picture that postcard locked in an impenetrable safe, and the only person with the key is the intended recipient. That's what a VPN does to your data. It encrypts it, making it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. But the benefits of a VPN don't stop at encryption. You see, every device connected to the internet has a unique identifier, known as an IP address. This address can reveal a lot about you, including your location. A VPN cloaks your IP address, effectively disguising your digital footprint and making it harder for anyone to track your online activities. And there's more. Ever tried to watch a show only to find it's not available in your region? We've all been there. This is due to geo-restrictions, which limit where content can be accessed. But with a VPN, you can appear to be browsing from anywhere in the world. This means you can access content that would otherwise be off limits. So whether you're concerned about data security, privacy, or simply want to watch your favorite show while traveling, a VPN has you covered. In essence, a VPN gives you the freedom to roam the digital world securely and unrestricted. To summarize, why should you consider using a VPN? Let's circle back to the key points we've delved into. In this vast digital landscape, online security and privacy are paramount. They're not just optional extras, they're essentials. A virtual private network, or VPN, can be your personal guardian in this realm. Firstly, a VPN provides data encryption. This means your sensitive information is transformed into code that only you can decipher. It's like speaking in a secret language only you understand. Secondly, it masks your IP address. This keeps your location and online activities hidden from prying eyes. It's like wearing an invisible cloak in the digital world. Lastly, a VPN gives you access to geo-restricted content. This means you can virtually travel the world without leaving your couch. It's like possessing a magical key that opens doors to global content. Remember, in the digital world, a VPN is your best line of defense. Stay safe, stay secure.